guys, we are about ready to power this quad up and get in a session here. It's Friday, just got off work. Got these fresh new 15 milliamp hour batteries on here. Never flown a battery that big, so we're gonna see how well she handles. These new 1500 milliamp hour 75C4S batteries. Got them on Amazon. They come with this nice little battery strap here that pretty much simulates how you put it in your quad. So like this will be forward, so you got a nice little protected area to keep this balance lead out of the way. So yeah, check it out. I'm about ready to rip this up a little bit, so stay tuned.